Hello, ma'am. Double check po ng information natin. Joanne Dominic
Opo.
Bacaldo. Email address, is it tama po?
Opo.
And mobile number?
684 po.
685.
265. Look at the camera. Smile. Smile ikaw. Smile. Cute. Yay!
Nice here.
Wow. Oh, look in the camera lang na. Waxy, look here. Look here lang.
Okay na po yan.
Okay na po. Yan na po yung...
Sige naman ay medyo siragan.
Oo. Medyo maraming tao lang talaga. Pero carry lang. Let's go. Push. Oh, Waxy, magtrabaho ka na. Wow, Waxy! Ang cute. Ang galing. Paano yan? Dito, tignan mo, pwede silang mag-ano. Ito yung fire station. Pwede tayong magkape, Daddy. May may McDo. Ito, may tindahan ng kape. Cafe bot. May candy shop siya dito. Tapos, may dentist. May pizza. I think si Wax pwede doon. May TV studio. Pwede si Wax na may cybersecurity center pa. Ang galing naman ng concept nila. Driving school, yan. So, lahat yan, papasokan ni Wax mamaya. Ito yata, Daddy, yung paggawa ng pizza. Mamaya, puntahan natin. So, let's explore muna. Mayan din silang hospital. Kunwari. Nagpe-pest control. Galing. Ito, smoothie bar. Oh, may maids.cc pa, Daddy, oh. Nagtuturuan sila maglinis. Art studio. Talagang parang may mga, ito gusto ni Wax. Parang may mga ka-tie up sila ng mga brands, no? Ito, construction site. Ito, pwede si Wax. Ayan. Ito yung driving, oh. Ang galing dito sa loob. Ang ganda ng concept niya. So, parang ang gagawin yung mga bata, pwede nilang matry yung iba't ibang parang mga profession, ganyan. Ano ba nangyari sa mga ko? So, parang as if mag-work talaga sila. Tututuruan sila, din gagawin talaga nila. Tapos, mag-earn sila ng parang ng points. Tapos ngayon, yung mga points na ma-earn nila, magagamit nila mamaya pag gusto nilang bumili ng mga food, ng candies, ng toys. So, yan. So, explore natin. Medyo hindi pa rin namin fully maintindihan ni Daddy, pero let's see. Tignan nyo, merong nagda-drive na mali ito. Kaya pala ni Wax sa'yo. Cute. Ito yung EDI. Tapos, ito may McDo. Pwede sana si Wax ka. Ay, hindi pa pwede si Wax kasi may height restriction. Okay. Akyat tayo dito sa may taas na to, yung parang sa pilot, Aviation Academy, pilot and crew training. Pero gusto kasi namin itry muna yung firefighter nila. Yan, dito sa NAFCO. Okay. Yan, may waiting time lang siya. 1 minute left. Ganyan sila sa loob. So, So, maglalagay sila ng coat, ng cute, ng uniform. Waxy, you sit down lang. You will wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. Scan, scan.
Come closer.
You will scan.
Give me his card. Passport.
Wait. Bigay din yung passport. Thank you. You sit here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
That's it.
Ha? Yata. Ha? Yata. Sit here.
Alright, guys.
I'm very good at ballroom dancing. No, not at this part. Well, maybe sometimes. But let's see what fighter does. They are commonly known for throwing. It was an ancient Rome. I know. They did not work.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Anyway, let's
Go, go, go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Whoa.
Slide down here, one by one.
Which
Sit
is
down
why
and push
it's
yourself.
important to know what
Just
causes
push yourself.
We will know list the most common causes.
Dali.
Number 1, bleeding tongues, cigarettes.
Okay na yan, Daddy. Okay na yan.
Go, 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 violence. Let's go, violence.
Go, go, go! Slide! It's okay. 1, 2, 3. It's okay.
Go, 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 go.
Dali na, pwede na. Maxi!
Good.
Yay! Come.
Come on, let's go this way, this way.
Dali, videoan mo Daddy ng portrait. John, bye, Waxy! Smile, puggy face. Puggy face. Yay! Go, Waxy! Let's go!
Wait, hold, hold.
Hindi na gumalaw. Yay!
so much.
Good job!
Thank you.
Your hotel manager on duty, okay? So you will work with me as a housekeeping, okay? Okay, mister?
Okay. Say okay.
Okay. So you will work with me as a housekeeping. So your job is to prepare everything. Yeah?
I already done.
You done it already? Very good. Okay, so here you're going to do, we have here the picture. You're going to do same as at the picture.
That's
Okay?
easy. What's the name?
Name? There is no name.
Foxy, you want to sleep? You cannot sleep.
Okay, come. You can come inside. Mom.
Sige.
Okay, first. No, first. First we put this. No. What?
Yeah, it's a shirt. Okay. Oh, you put the pillow na on the bed. You help them. You help them. Put the pillow on the bed. Good job. Yay!
Bravo,
Good
everyone.
job. Yay!
Good job.
Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left. Hindi siya gumagalaw. It's okay. Yan. So, yung voucher natin kanina for the face paint, dadalhin nyo lang siya doon sa counter. Tapos, ayan, i-claim natin siya para makapag-face paint siya. Kasi kasama siya doon sa package na in-avail natin. Yan si Waxy. Ganda, oh! So cool, Waxy. Can I see? Can Mama see? Oh, funny T-Rex. Funny T-Rex.
Show me your T-Rex.
Ah, ganun. Hi, Ma'am Shees. So, now it's currently 6:30 and nakatulog ang ating baby boy. And so far, parang nakaapat pa lang kami dito sa mga activities na pwede kay Wax. Medyo mahaba kasi yung mga queue kanina. Medyo mahaba yung mga pila. Kaya, hindi rin kami agad-agad nakakapasok. Kami may mga waiting time na mga 10 minutes, 15 minutes, ganyan. Pero yun, so far medyo kumukonti na rin yung mga tao kasi paggabi na rin. And inaantay lang namin magising si Wax kasi wala siyang tulog buhat kanina. Ngayon lang siya nakapag-nap. So inahayaan lang namin siya makapagpahinga. Then pagkagising, ikot-ikot pa tayo kasi marami pa siyang pwedeng subukan dito. So para masulat natin. Kaya yun. So sama kayo sa amin. Pati kami ni Dada nag-e-enjoy, 'di ba, Daddy?
Ano ako dito?
Ha?
Ha? Bombero.
Bumbero. Yan. Yan. Tapos pala mga mamshis, ito yung binayaran natin kanina. Ito yung para sa aming dalawa ni Daddy, yung adults. Yung adults, ang price niya is 90 dirhams per head. So, makikita nyo dyan, 180. 90 dirhams per head. Tapos, since may ESAD, membership. So, yan, may discount tayo because of the ESAD. So, from 180, tapos nag-add-on lang tayo ng passport para kay Wax na 35 dirham. So, total of 215. Then, may discount lang tayo na 63. So, net of 152 na lang siya. Kay Wax naman, pwede rin sanang isa-add kaso since holiday, hindi daw pa pwede. So, ang price ng toddler is 130 dirhams. In-upgrade namin siya ng 65 dirhams para may kasama siyang face paint at saka yung pizza making. Then, meron din siyang 20% na discount. So, may less pa siya na 26. So, ang net niya is 169 na lang. So, pwede na rin. Kailangan nating sulitin kasi medyo mahal, ano? Yan. So, wait lang natin si Wax magising. Yan siya, oh. You'll get your license.
What's your name?
Dito tayo sa EDI, Driving Institute. Nagda-drive si Wax down. Papagawan siya ng license. Okay, dito naman tayo sa Emirates Driving Institute. So, 3 minutes siya per session. Tapos, 3 drivers lang at a time. Meron nga lang siyang minimum height requirement na 90 centimeters. So, pasok naman si Wax kasi nasa 100 centimeters na siya. Yan siya, waiting. Kakagising lang. Slow motion.
Our next driver is Rabia.
Paano? Sana tulungan niya. Passport? Passport daw, Dad. Yay! Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good job.
Paano yung drive? Paano yung drive?
Dito naman tayo sa meets.cc. Meron lang siyang waiting time na 10 minutes. Tapos yung activity is 15 minutes. And pwede si Wax kasi basta 2 years old and above. Pwede siyang mag-participate. So 6 kids at a time. So we have to wait for 8 minutes. Si Wax nakapita na siya.
Choose your size. You want this? Aquafina, what new class? Yes, yeah. Straight also second height.
Straight and second right.
Get your bucket.
Okay? This one. Or you can go with this way. Straight, second left.
You'll find it. Thank you so much.
Just wait first. Have a seat.
Come, come.
Let's go! What? Come, come, come. Not yet. Are you ready to clean the window? Here naman tayo sa Emirates Aviation Academy. So, sa pilot training tayo. Pila lang tayo. Thank you, pilot!
Wow, high five.
Meron pa silang DJ studio, pero hindi pa pwede si Waxen. So, doon tayo sa, Laknor. Magda-deliver siya ng juice sa supermarket. So, yan, binigyan siya ng task. Parang kanina yung sa maids.cc, binigyan din siya ng task. So, let's go! May lift yata. It's okay. Oh. Daddy will, help you. Hanapin natin yung supermarket. Magda-deliver siya. Yan. Tapos papapirmahan lang natin yung board para task is done. On saan? Ayan,
Saan mabibigay ko?
Dito lang. Yeah, sure. I'm not going inside.
Very good. So now come and scan your bracelet and get your salary.
Okay, we're here naman sa Pizza Express. Gagawa ng pizza si Wax. Yan, kasama siya dun sa package natin kanina. Dun sa tinop up natin. So may voucher din tayo. What's the next? What is this? Remove your hand from the base now. Hold the base on your hand like this. And like this. Shake, 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 shake. Shake this. Yes. Make the song all over the slowly, slowly, yeah? Like this. Yeah. Hold and shake, shake. Yeah. Shake, shake, shake your base. One by one, huh?
Slowly, slowly, one by one. Hold it one by one, one by one. One by one.
Two hands. Join your hands. Join your hands. Yes. Okay, now put. Wait, okay.
Slowly.
Thank you, Waki. Dinosaur. Wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Come.
Nova.
Ito na yung pizza na ginawa ni Waxy. Yan yon, maayos eh, no?
Ito.
Galing
Waxy, ah.
Here's your pizza, anak ko. Wow! Good job! Daddy, tikma mo yung pizza ng gawa ni Wax. Hap?
Okay.
Very good si Waxy, oh. Okay, here naman tayo sa Apollonia Dentistry. May pila. Baka i-toothbrush niya talaga sa ipin niya. Hindi na sila nagsuot ng ano nila, gown. Hindi tayo nakikita ni Wax.
Ganyan na nakita niyo.
Ulit. Yan.
Kain pa tayo?
Yan na ang fruit of your labor. Nakabili siya ng toy car gamit yung points na naipon niya sa mga task na ginawa niya. Good job! Let's go home na. Pagod na. Hi! Can you show me your new car? Pinaghirapan niya yan. That's his toy. Pinaghirapan niya yan. Okay, let's go home, guys. Okay, let's go home. Thank you sa pagsama sa amin today. And na rin namin itong, wait lang, touch to open yan. And na rin namin itong video. Thank you sa pagsama sa amin today. And I hope makatulong to sa mga parents na naghahanap ng activity para sa mga kids nila. So, thank you again. See you on the next one.